Welcome back, everybody. Bug truck number 2 underway. As you can see there, a ton of Bondo filler. I used the 1955 Chevy rear fenders for the front on the Bug. Did a little slicing, glued them on and filled them. As you can see right there, we're blending everything together. I also used the 1955 Chevy files and sliced the very back portion of the cab and married it to the Bug cab. This is not an easy build at all. This one here I am painting in 3 different sections using terracotta and espresso paint blended. There you can see the Creality Ender 3 making the small bits for the exterior parts. I'm using copper paint for the exterior parts. Use the popsicle sticks like I did in Bug truck number 1 for in the bed. And there's the Creality K1 Max doing the dash currently. This one here should be done by midweek. Hoping to have a run video next weekend. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. We're working hard over here to bring all kinds of new content to you guys and marrying things together that probably shouldn't be, but they come out pretty cool. Have a good rest of your Sunday. We'll see you in the next one.